Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to tell you the most important thing that no one share with you. This thing is literally important, so watch this video till the end. My name is Komal Tajni and in this video, I will cover the most important thing. And this thing is not depend only English language. This skill is depend only your own. Okay, so let's jump on today's topic. Okay, so you can we can say that I have some creativity, I have something talent, and this talent I want to tell you in front of you. Okay, so how many people there says ki I have some skill or I have some talent, but I don't want to say and I don't want to speak in front of some people or somebody else. Okay, so in this video, my opinion, just you have to tell, you have to share your own opinion or your own something, creativity or whatever like that. I have, that means I am right now I'm learning a Python programming language as well as data structure and algorithm, as well object oriented programming and whatever. Just I have this type of skill. Just whatever you have some skill like that, communication like that, just a simple thing that you have to do, that means you have to open your own something, that you have some skill or some knowledge, so you have to open this. Okay, so in this video, just this video purpose only one, just you have to open your own something, that you have to create something, that you have to reveal something that is help to use that all about thing. So I have this skill. Okay, but I don't want to share with you just because of some fear or some hesitation or some whatever fairness, right? So that is a lot of thing that I don't want to share with you, just in my opinion like that. But you have to stop there, you have to stop this way. Just you have to put something that own creativity in this English language. Just I don't want to say that ki you have to make something related English content, you have to make something English video. No, just you have to speak something that which is you have to able something, create your own, like this type of thing. Just I have some skill, I have some knowledge, just this knowledge I want to tell you. Okay, uh right now I'm learning this all about thing, but I have some knowledge. But you know that already, you have whatever, you have some skill, so you have to put, you have to make some content related to skill. I don't want to say that ki you have to make this video only those content like English only. No, just you have some English related skill. No, just you have some skill, some creativity, just you have to speak some own. Okay, that is the thing that which is I have to tell you. Okay, so this is the thing that help you something develop your own, that is help you something creativity just your own and whatever. Just okay, so you have to improve. Okay, you have to improve something that I think I had think. Okay, every single day or whatever, just after 2 or 3 day I am just making content, making some video related only English. But that is not enough. Okay, you have to explain yourself, you have to improve yourself, you have to something like new, you have to speak something new that is help you. So that is all about thing. Okay, so some video I had tell you ki you have some English language knowledge, or just you have some knowledge about some just skill about the skill, like when you are going when you are go to mock interview or whatever. Just so this time you have some English knowledge available related only this skill or this knowledge, so this is enough. But this video, just to this condition is change, because English is not language, this is the own creativity, this is the this is the skill to develop your own something. So you have to learn, you have to gain, and you have to put something. Okay, that is help to improve more and more. So this is the thing that you have to improve. Okay, that I am improving myself, I am working on myself. But that I don't have much time to make content every single day. That's why I don't make a content lot of day, that means every single day. Okay, I can say every single day, but I will uh, stay there and I will make some content related English or whatever, some I have some skill. So I literally uh, make. Okay, so this video like you, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because your one like, one channel, one subscribe give me a lot of motivated, give me a lot of inspire, and that's why uh, this helped me a lot more and more. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next video. And